How to fix iOS 18 paused. When you are updating your system, that is iOS 18, and it has been paused, then to solve it, this video is for you. The first thing you need to check is your internet connection. Ensure that you have stable internet connection. If not, then try switching your Wi-Fi. The next step is go through your settings. There use the general option, tap on it and go through the iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage to update your iOS 18. After all of this, now you try doing update again. Simply tap on software update option available under general, then hit on the update now button and see if it works. In this way, you can fix iOS 18 paused issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.